Have you ever been in an accident where the airbag went off but something didn't feel right? Maybe it deployed out of nowhere, like during a minor bump or even when you hit a pothole. Maybe it didn't deploy at all, even though the crash was serious enough that it should have. I've even talked to clients who said the airbag hit them so hard it caused more injuries than the accident itself. If any of that sounds familiar, you're not alone, and it's worth looking into. Hi, I'm Auger with Auger Auger, accident and injury lawyers. For over 30 years, we've helped people across North Carolina after serious accidents, and one thing we see more than you think is airbags that malfunction. It's easy to assume they're just doing their job, but when they go off at the wrong time or with the wrong force, they can cause real damage. That's what I want to talk to you about today. Let's start with what to look for. A defective airbag can show up in a few different ways. Maybe it deployed unexpectedly, like before the impact or in a situation that didn't warrant it. Or it could have been delayed or failed to deploy at all. Another big one we hear is excessive force. These things are meant to save your life, not leave you with bruises or worse. If it felt more like an explosion than a cushion, that's a major red flag. Now let's talk about the kinds of injuries we see from this. Facial injuries are very common. Fractured cheekbones, broken noses, dental damage. Then there's concussions or even traumatic brain injuries from the force of the deployment. We've had clients suffer burns on their arms or chest from the chemicals or the fabric. And there are less visible signs too, like tinnitus, ringing in the ears, or vision problems. It all adds up, especially when you're already recovering from the accident itself. What many people do not realize is that if the airbag was defective, the vehicle or airbag manufacturer might be responsible. These companies have a duty to test their products and make sure they're working properly. When they don't and someone gets hurt, that's when we step in to help hold them accountable. You can be entitled to compensation, not just for your medical bills, but also for lost wages, pain, emotional stress, and ongoing care. So if anything sounds like what you're going through, here's what I recommend. First, document everything. Take pictures of your injuries, your car's interior, and any visible damage from the airbag. Get a copy of the police report and your medical records. Second, do not rush into settlement, especially if the insurance company seems eager to close things quickly. And third, talk to someone who's handled these kinds of cases before. At Auger Auger, we have helped thousands of clients across North Carolina, and we know how to navigate the complexities of defective product claims. Plus, with the A&A zero-fee guarantee, you don't pay anything unless we win your case. So if your airbag deployed and you're left wondering if something was wrong, give us a call or visit augerlaw.com to schedule a free consultation. We'll talk through what happened, what your options are, and how we can help you move forward.